It is with great pleasure that the newly established Colombian Centre of ITI participates in this Congress, especially after the return of this center to the ITI fold was greatly overdue. As you all know, Colombia is very rich and diverse in performing arts movement. One of the most important theater festivals in the world takes place in Bogotá. And also, we have the biggest classical music festival in Latin America here in Cartagena every year.
That's right, Ana Marta, not to mention over 1,000 of festivals and carnivals in a country which has got the biggest musical diversity in South America. And I think we are all privileged to be able to address our colleagues in ITI from this architectural jewel, the former Church of Mercy, now Neo-Baroque Theatre Adolfo Mejia. And just as Paris in Palais Garnier has got the paintings of Max Chagall on its dome, we have paintings of our famous maestro Enrique Grau on the curtain and the dome.
We put together a very diverse board of artists from different branches of theater, dance, and music who are ready to showcase the richness of our culture to Colombia and abroad.
Both Ana Marta and I are coalition builders, and as I have worked in international relations and music across the world, especially Africa, Asia, and the Americas, we shall pay particular attention to the need to strengthen South-South cooperation.
One of the first international projects is the Theater in Conflict Zones project that we are having here to pay homage to this peace process that we just signed with the eldest guerrilla group in the world. It has been a long time conflict, civil conflict in our country. We put together artists from our Caribbean zone and also from the border of Colombia and Venezuela. Among others, we travel with people from Sudan and other African countries, with Asian and also European companies.
We have already reached out to a number of ITI regional centers, such as Europe and the Americas, and we'll be also reaching out to others. And now that we live in the world of pandemics, which presents such extraordinary challenge to the artistic community, we all have in everything that we do strengthened the concept of Resiliart, which the Director General of Unesco, Madame Azoulay, launched a few months ago.
And because in these challenging times, we need something strong and uplifting, let us share with you two examples of the great diversity of our musical movement. From the savannah, known as Llanero music, and the other one from our African heritage. Music influenced by the traditions brought by the slaves from Africa, as shown in the UNESCO Slave Route Program, which also symbolized the UNESCO African Priority Program.
And when the pandemics eventually subsides, which of course it will, we hope to see as many of you as possible in our country, which is a veritable microcosm of South America, and would therefore like to greet not only and salute the ITI World Congress, but also all of you with a message, hasta pronto.
Como la luna que alumbra por la noche los caminos, como las hojas al viento, como el sol espanta el frío, como la tierra la lluvia, como el mar espera el río, así espero tu regreso a la tierra del olvido.